What's up, you guys? Or good morning, good afternoon, I don't really know, but my name is Genevieve, and for those of you guys who don't follow me on TikTok, I recently just quit my job so that I can pursue being a content creator, doing YouTube, doing TikTok, and somehow starting my own business. Right now, I'm just getting back from Northern California, spending time with my friends and family, and now I'm back in Los Angeles. So today I'm kind of going to be doing a reset. I have a lot of things in the works, just so many things. I'm also in my master's program, so gonna be working on that, and the next week I'm going to Switzerland. So a lot of things that I need to prepare for. Today I'm just gonna be cleaning my room or my studio, all that normal stuff. So if you guys want to watch me have a regular schmegular degular day, then continue watching. It is 1:55 and I'm finally done cleaning. So basically this is my entire studio, and as you can see it took me all day to clean. Only swipper the kitchen part and in front of my bed because I'm gonna take a shower right now, but just so that you can see everything that I cleaned up. I cleaned up my jewelry station, my perfumes, my microphone from when I do my podcast, all of the stuff that I need to put in my purse, pens, phone stand. Here's my TV, my Nintendo Switch, my stools, my fan in case I get hot, a candle, my brushes are drying, my iPad is charging. I'm gonna do my dishes later, but that's how clean the kitchen is, yay me. And this is my entire studio. And the blinds, I've lived here for literally 4 years. I need to get those replaced, so ignore those. So yeah, that's my studio, and that is it for my reset vlog. I don't know what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. I know I'm going to dinner with my friend, but if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I have time to do more.